Hi, everyone. Welcome back, where we explore natural remedies for your health and wellness. Today, we're talking about a simple yet powerful solution for eye health, castor oil. Yes, this ancient remedy has been gaining attention for its benefits in treating dry eyes, reducing eye bags, improving floaters, and even managing early cataract symptoms. Let's get started. Castor oil and dry eyes. Dry eyes are a common issue caused by prolonged screen time, aging, or certain medical conditions. Castor oil, especially organic, cold-pressed varieties, is an excellent natural remedy. Its fatty acids help lubricate the eyes and reduce inflammation. To use, apply a small drop of castor oil to the lower eyelid before bedtime. Be sure to use only sterile, eye-safe castor oil. Over time, this can provide lasting relief by supporting your natural tear production. Reducing eye bags. Tired of waking up with puffy eyes and dark circles? Castor oil can help. Its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties improve blood circulation and hydrate the delicate under-eye area. To use, gently massage a tiny amount of castor oil under your eyes before sleeping. Regular use can reduce puffiness, lighten dark circles, and give you a fresher, more youthful look. Eye floaters and vision support. Eye floaters can be annoying, especially if they interfere with your vision. While there's no direct cure, castor oil is thought to improve overall eye health. Its antioxidants, such as ricinoleic acid, may help neutralize free radicals that contribute to floaters. Although more research is needed, anecdotal evidence suggests that regular application of castor oil to the eyelids may enhance comfort and support clearer vision over time. Castor oil and cataracts are a clouding of the eye lens that affects vision, especially with aging. While castor oil cannot cure cataracts, its antioxidant properties may slow their progression. Some holistic practitioners recommend placing a sterile drop of castor oil in each eye before bed. The oil coats the lens, reducing oxidative stress and promoting hydration. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying this approach. Castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy with many potential benefits for eye health, from soothing dry eyes to reducing puffiness and even supporting long-term vision care. However, it's essential to use high-quality, sterile, eye-safe castor oil and consult your doctor before incorporating it into your routine. If you found this podcast helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your eyes.